this Hobart dishwasher is leaking. So I need to identify where it's leaking from. I opened the back and I found that the booster heater is leaking from this area right here. As you see, all the calcium there. It's been leaking for a while, so I just got the O-ring that goes in there. This is called air trap, and this is the booster heater here. So I need to replace that O-ring in there. So first thing we're gonna do is to kill the power of this dishwasher. Alright, so let's go to the electrical panel, which is located right here. Alright, let's identify. It says dishwasher, the number 3 and 5 dishwasher. So it's gonna go 3 and 5, which is right here. So let's turn it off. That's in the off position right there. And let's go make sure our dishwasher won't turn on. Okay, call the power. Now, let's remove that air trap. Okay, still tight. Okay, drop it in there. Okay. All right. I need to go get a magnet, find out where it's at. Okay, for now, oh, it's over there. It's right here. See it? It's right here. So, let's see if we can remove this. Okay. There is another one there. Okay, we got a second one in the back. That one's gonna be a tricky one. So I need to go get more tools for that. Okay guys, I just figured out to be able to remove that last second bolt on the other side of that air trap. I mean, I have to lose this booster heater. To be able to do that, there's these two bolts here that come out. That way I can lose it and be able to move that booster heater and remove that second bolt. So for that, I'm gonna need a 7/16 socket and lose this, remove these. Okay. Okay, get it out. The other one. Okay, second one. Now I'm gonna be able to turn this a little bit, I believe. Okay, I have some access there. So Let's see if this one will fit there. No, I need a smaller one. Okay. Let's see. Use a smaller socket. This is a 11, number 11. Okay. There we go. Yep. That's the only way. Okay. That worked. Now let's move this. See, there is no gasket at all. No gasket at all here. It's right there, but it's all matched. Let's see. Man, it's, I don't know, will come out. Okay guys, that's crazy. This the heat cooked these gasket, and it's a rubber gasket, crystallized, and it's just hard. So I will have to remove these air trap to take it to the shop and try to remove it there. So this just got a clamp here, and these just come out. See, I'll take these air trap to the shop and I'll remove that gasket. It's just hard, and then I'll install a new one. Okay guys, I'm at the shop now. I tried to remove with a knife, but it's just so hard that I got a Dremel, and I'm gonna try with this Dremel to remove it, because it's just too hard. Let's see if this works. Okay, it seems like the wind just come out. You see? There we go. Got it. Came out, the last piece. So it worked. It did work. Nice. It's not perfect, but I'll remove it. Okay, let's dust it off, clean it real good, and install the new gasket. Got the new gasket right here. See the part number, and this is the gasket. Okay. Okay. Remove it from the back. Put it right here. There we go. Just inside that groove right there. Ready to go. Let's go put it back. Okay, here we go again. Let's clean this real good first. Use a wire brush. Clean around. Remove any debris in there. And make sure our gasket is gonna do the job now. Make sure it's not gonna be debris around it. Okay, that looks good. Alright, let's put this back then. Okay, that's the way it goes. So let's put the bolt there. One in the back. And the one in the front. It's hard when you don't see it. You gotta do it by feel. Okay, that looks good. Now let's put this hose back. There's the hose and the clamp. And put the hose back in there. And the clamp back. There we go. I'll secure it there. Okay. Now let's put those bolts back in place. The one to hold the booster heater. These bolts here with their washers. All right. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, done deal. Now let's test this. Let's turn the power back on. It was the number 3 and 5. It's on right there. Let's check the. Let's turn the machine on. There you go. Let's put it to work. Okay, the machine is working. Now we'll see what happens. Okay, that news is still leaking. See the drop there? There is a drop there, like 1, 2, like every 3 seconds. See? That leak is coming from down here. That's where it was original leaking. So what happened there, I think when I removed this air trap, I went too deep trying to remove that gasket. So what I'm gonna do is just put another gasket, put double that gasket. If I knew, I would have ordered an air trap to replace the air trap with a new gasket, because when I removed that gasket, I think I went too deep on this air trap. But I have an extra gasket, so I'm gonna put it on and see if that leak that you see down here, it stops. So I'm gonna do the same procedure again to remove these and put a second gasket on it. Okay guys, I already removed everything again, and I think it was my mistake. I think, I don't know, probably yes, probably not. So I thought the wire brush did a good job, but I believe there is still some stuff there, so I'm gonna use my knife to try to clean this real good. But I don't know, I'm just gonna do this. Might help, but I'm still gonna use a second gasket. Well, it looks fine. I think I did a good job with that wire brush. But I'm gonna use this knife just in case, just to make sure there's nothing stick on there. It actually looks fine. So see, I'm gonna put a second gasket on this thing here. So let's try that. Good thing I got another gasket here, as you see. So let's do this. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. Put a double gasket. See if that works. Okay, I installed a double gasket, but find out that this air trap piece here is still needs to be replaced, so I'm going to order that to be able to fix it completely. It still has a little leak, but it's not bad as it was before. All right, so it's not done, but I'll knock it out later.